Opposite word in writing. Let's start. Opposite word. Big. B-I-G, big. Small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. Hot. H-O-T, hot. C-O-L-D, cold. Hot, cold. H-E-P-P-Y, happy. S-A-D, sad. Happy, sad. F-A-S-T, fast. S-L-O-W, slow. Fast, slow. U-P, up. D-O-W-N, down. Up, down. D-A-Y, day. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. O-P-E-N, open. C-L-O-S-E, close. Open, close. T-A-L-L, tall. S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall, short. O-L-D, old. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Old, young. E-A-S-Y, easy. H-A-R-D, hard. Easy, hard. L-I-G-H-T, light. D-A-R-K, dark. Light, dark. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. W-E-A-K, weak. Strong, weak. C-L-E-A-N, clean. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Clean, dirty. R-I-C-H, rich. P-O-O-R, poor. Rich, poor. E-A-R-L-Y, early. L-A-T-E, late. Early, late. Subscribe, like and share.